5 surprising benefits of doing planks. Doing a plank may seem easy at first, but holding up your entire body without moving for 30 seconds or more is quite difficult. Learning how to do a proper plank is worth it as there are several amazing health benefits. 1. Enhance balance. When doing a plank, you are forced to hold yourself up without falling over, so doing them regularly will greatly improve balance. 2. Increase flexibility. The plank helps to stretch and lengthen the hamstrings and the arches and balls of your feet, which will improve your range of motion. 3. Help prevent injury. Planks help create a stable core, which reduces your risk of injury as the core transfers force to your limbs when moving. 4. Reduce lower back pain. Lower back pain is often caused by poor posture and a weak core. A weak core often shifts the load onto the surrounding muscles to compensate, triggering back pain. 5. Improve posture. The core muscles in the body support the spine. Doing planks helps strengthen these muscles and keep them healthy, which in turn improves posture. Subscribe for more.